Morning, neighbors. I've just been doing some editing. I'm putting together a brief video on defrunking the trunk. I put Xenon light kit in it, which required a full defrunk, nose removal of the trike, and the installation of the ballast deep into the wheel chamber where they can stay nice and cozy and cool. And then we refrunk it, and I also do a demonstration of the light power that these give. They're really light blinding. This is a short video, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm not staying very much on subject. I'm not giving a lot of details because the kit is no longer available. Wanted to state, if you need to improve the lighting, and yes, the Can-Am, especially RSS line, had very weak H4 lines. LEDs were not made in '08 or not widely available in '08, and so they use their best with the high intensity, you know, the old crystal ones and Sylvanias and things like that. To change the bulbs, you go in through your gauge pod. Read your operator's manual on how to remove your gauge pod. It's in there. Yeah, it's part of it. It's also, if you need a good manual, TechSpark, or the Can-Am, and then enter your model number for, or model, make and model for TechSpark. TechSpark. I don't have their website address. That's all I got for now, and I hope you enjoy it. This is just a review of the kind of work that can go into these things and the detail level that you have to get to. Again, I do recommend that if you buy an RSS or RS or GS, look into getting over into those super bright LEDs. I did run with a pair of those for about a month, and they did work. They helped greatly. Not quite like the Xenon, so you'll see what I mean in the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.